my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. We'll start with LME 3-month copper. A bearish dark cloud cover pattern yesterday. However, that is not really what concerns me, as it seems we may have a bigger pattern to deal with. I recently theorized that we may have a potential ascending triangle pattern building up. If you were to take, for example, the flat overhead, well highlighted, congestion level at 9160, the first of the trinity of overhead congestion levels of 9160, then at 9305 and 9605. Well, if you take this 9160 level as the flat top of the ascending triangle, then if you look at the extension, no pun intended here, extension to the bullish roof pattern trend line from December to date, currently at 88.81, as the lower trend line of the ascending triangle. This, by the way, may be optimized soon, but if you take these two lines, then it seemed to work. However, within the last week or so, a new pattern has started to emerge within this larger pattern. It is the March-based sideways triangle. Indeed, it may be that what I thought might be an ascending triangle is actually morphing into a smaller sideways triangle. The downtrend, currently 91.02, and the uptrend, currently 87.24, fit into this scenario so far. This continues to require careful consideration, and I'm not ready as yet to start labeling targets, as neither trend line has been breached, though we have been to both the required sum of 5 times in total. Remember, all this is taking place in the shadow of the 9,000 Gann number. So far today, a follow-on lower to the previous session's bearish dark cloud cover pattern. Below the roof pattern trend line extension, but slowing down, approaching the congestion below, starting from 87.66 and further downwards. LME 3-month aluminium. An indecisive spinning top yesterday, something the bulls out there would, I am sure, not like seeing. Nevertheless, if you have been listening to me recently, I've been talking at length about a recent ascending triangle pattern. This is in between the very important 61.8% Fibonacci line of the big 2018-2020 move at 2236. That is the flat top trend line of the ascending triangle, and the February to date uptrend, currently at 2172. That makes up the lower ascending triangle trend line. Target X for the top side of this triangle pattern, or possible triangle pattern, is in the 2093 area. Now, I have not retired this idea, nor Target X, but I have also floated another sympathetic idea, and that's to the ascending triangle. It was that this ascending triangle pattern may be morphing into a possible bull channel. If we look at the upsend of the ascending triangle as a possible lower bull channel line, then the recent connected tops, currently at 2306, could be the upper bull channel line. I think this more recent idea has favour. However, as we have found out yesterday and also last Friday, this bull channel contains within it the middle tine of the shallow bullish big 2011-2015 bullish shift pitchfork, currently at 2297. Both yesterday and Friday saw attempts to breach this middle tine. However, though penetrated, neither closed over the middle tine, and that is something worth noting. So far today, bearish black crow so far. It seems that the second attempt and subsequent failure to breach the overhead old middle tine may have been enough out there to revert the market back lower if one takes into account the indecisive spinning top as well. Below we now have the interesting 61.8% Fibonacci line as 2236 as support. It'll be interesting to see what happens there. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.